Hi guys, this is our downstairs toilet. Why are we looking at that? Because we've got a puddle of water just there, and it's coming down that pipe just there, and it's actually, I don't know if I can get the camera around there to look at it. Yeah. It's that joint just there that's leaking. It's probably one of those ones that has a fibre washer under it. Now, I'm not going to be able to film that and work on it at the same time, so I'm showing it to you now. Hopefully, all I need to do is turn that off there on the isolating valve. And then I can undo that, drop it off and replace the seal on it, if I'm lucky. There will be a little bit of water in that pipe because it comes up to here. So when I loosen it off, there will be some water come out, so I'll put a towel down there. But it's not like all of this is going to run down there because that pipe comes up to here. We'll see if we can do this bit on camera. That's the isolating valve, which is pointing directly upwards. So if I turn it half a turn that way, that should stop the water. So I should be able to disconnect that bit now. Right, I've loosened that off. So if I pull that a little bit, so we should have a bit of water drip out, but not much. But what I want to do is try and see, and I can't do that with the camera in the way. Well, that's the fibre washer. You could probably see it in the previous screen, but I couldn't see that because I wasn't at the right angle to be able to look at it. But as you can see, it's broken. So the question is, are any of my stock ones any good? That looks like the same size, doesn't it? I've got a plumbing toolbox. Oh, that's out of focus now. Yeah, this is my plumbing toolbox that I always have handy. Well, I say handy, it was actually up in the loft. It's got all my plumbing gear in it. All the right tools. So that's a 1/2 inch fibre tap connecting washer. And it's the same size as that one. So I should be able to just put that back on the end of the pipe there, do it up, and we should be okay. Right. Again, I can't see this. It goes on the top of there. I don't know if that's in focus or not, whether you can see it. Let's put the camera, put the light on it. Yeah. You might just be able to see it there. Now we'll just do it back up again and see if that stops the leak. Alright, turn the water back on again via the isolating valve or whatever it's called. I was calling it a stopcock in a previous video, but that's totally wrong. Stopcock is the one that's out in our case, out in the road, where the water comes in, or just where it enters the house somewhere. Anyway, you might have heard that little rush of water as I opened it. Looks dry at the moment. We'll come back and check a little bit later. I'd rather be filming that little fella.
Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.